Hello again, kids. Well, tonight is the night. We've been busy all year and loading up the train all month. Now it's Christmas Eve. It's our biggest night of the year. The elves and I will be riding the North Pole Express all throughout the country, tonight bringing holiday cheer. Let's look back at all the fun we've had this month on the North Pole Express. We've made a fun paper snowflake craft with our friend Persily, the snow fairy. We read my favorite holiday book, Santa and the Goodnight Train. We sang holiday favorites with Engineer Paul, and of course, you got a sneak peek into the shop. Wave hello to the elves who have worked so hard this year to bring you joy. I know the holiday season may have been a lot different than it usually is, kids. But I'm so proud of how you've stayed calm and focused on things that matter. I'm so glad I was able to connect with you over video this year, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again next year in person on the North Pole Express. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone, and to all a good night.